I'm Jin Jie,
I am Luis.
and we are from class O5. So let's dive in straight to the loan repayment table. So as given by the question, our property price is 550,000. The annual interest rate of the bank loan is 4%, and the repayment period in years is 9 years. So for the first month, the principal is $412,500. This is because the couple made a down payment of 25%. So our first month principal is 75% of the original property price. And for how do we calculate the amount of monthly interest on unpaid balance? We take the interest rate per month, which is 4% divided by 12, and we times the original principal that month, which gives us $1,375. The regular monthly payment of 4,554.4 is already given to us, while the payment of principal basically takes the regular monthly payment minus the monthly interest on unpaid balance, which gives us $3,179.40. Our new principal will then be the original principal, which is 412,500 minus the payment of principal, which will give us 409,320.60. So I7 is the bank loan, which is 412,500, while n equals to I5 times 12. So n is the number of months it takes to pay for the payment. So the annual interest rate is 4%, which will go down to 1/3% per month. So in summary, L equals to 412,500, n equals to I5 times 12, and I is equals to 1/300. So finding R, we are given this formula. Expanding it will give us 1/1 plus 1/300, which is equals to 300/3/1, giving us our I4. Now, and since we are given this formula, can be manipulated into P equals to L 1 minus R over R minus Rn plus 1. So P equals to L, which is I7, 1 minus R, which is I4. Okay, so R is I5. So I5 minus I5. So N is equals to I4 times 12 plus 1.
To our home loan repayment period calculator, we have the property price, which is the same, and the annual interest rate, which decreases from 4% to 3%. And this time we have the monthly payment, as we are supposed to find out the number of months needed for us to pay the loan. So since our interest rate has changed, our R value has changed as well, and this time it's 1/1 plus 3% over 12 months, which gives us this value of 0.99751. Amount is still the same, 75% of our property price at $412,500. The number of months we need to pay the loan is given by this formula. So first we are given this equation, as mentioned before, and we need to manipulate it such that n becomes the subject. So we have P over L, bring L over, giving us this right hand side expression, and then we make R minus R to the power of n plus 1 the main subject, this right hand expression. And then we make R to the power of n plus 1 the subject now by bringing the right hand side expression over and bringing R to the power of n plus 1 to the right hand side. Then after that, we ln both sides, bringing down n plus 1, and we get n plus 1 equals to this large expression, and n plus 1 equals to 291.32 when we sum in all the values, and n will be equal to 290.32. So this expression right-hand side expression of n plus 1 equals to this. It's the same as this Excel formula right here, such that ln r value, which is I16, minus our loan amount, 400,500 at I18, multiplied by 1 minus the r value divided, we divide this numerator over here over the monthly payment amount of $2,000. And after that, we divide the entirety of this larger numerator by the ln of r value, ln I16, minus 1 to get n equals to 290.32. And for the number of years needed to pay the loan, take 290.32 divided by 12, giving us 24.19 years. The total amount paid for the loan is the number of months multiplied by our monthly payment of $2,000, giving us $508,641. And for total interest paid, we take the total amount paid for the loan deducted from the max loan amount, giving us $168,141.30. That'll be all. Thank you.